Today we're going to have a special train with running rights on the Santa Fe Paradigm division. And here it comes around the corner. It's going to be the Pioneer Zephyr. But right now it just has a plug-in decoder, no sound. Sound is kind of challenging. So here she is. It's the Con-Cor. I'm going to move a little bit here while we take a look at it. The headlight, I got it used. The headlight doesn't seem to work, but that's something maybe for future use to be repaired. We'll back it up. Pardon me while I move a little bit. It's a 3-car set. Took me all of about 3 minutes to put that Digitrax plug-in decoder in it. And it runs pretty good. So, but anyway, just wanted to let you know it's one of the things I got since I've been kind of laid up with the back problem. Haven't been able to work too much out here, but I was able to get this done. I am working on a bridge in Union Station, which I will show probably in the next couple of weeks or so. I'm working on adding some Woodland Scenics light poles to it. So, but anyway, that's it for today. Bye.